I like to tell my business partners that this is an entirely new product than what we started with when we launched. And it's been improved so significantly that it's exceeding my expectations, and once they get it, they'll also say the same thing. And that's primarily why I'm so hands-on. I love being hands-on. It's been a long way coming with the product. It's more just a personality thing for me. I think it's beneficial for the people to see me working in the factory too.
So LeWorks is a Swedish company, and now we work with 10 different companies. And Carawater is one of them. It's the most advanced product that we work with, and the partnership has been exactly what we had hoped when we started the company, which is that close collaboration, the true co-factory idea, the spirit, where you actually work together.
And being able to form that relationship has really helped me to understand the quality that we're getting from LeWorks as a factory, and the quality that the people who are working on this product put into their efforts to produce Carapure here in China.
My job title is Manufacturing Manager. Boss, I love you.